brother who was the moran. Their parents were very elderly, so all the chores in the homestead belonged to them, taking care of cows, fetching water. The moran and the girl did it all. One day, the moran had to go to the bush, or pool, we all know, right? To eat meat and be strong so that he can go for a raid and bring more cattle. So his father gave him a big bull, and he took it to the bush and went with the other morans with very many bulls, and they would stay for very many months in the bush. So the poor girl was left alone with her parents, and that meant she had to go hunting every day. So every day the girl took the cattle to the fields, and she had one cow that she loved very much, and she called her Gaius. And you see, Gaius had the most milk. Why? This girl was herding her cows. They were no Ol'Aimerri. What do you call Ol'Aimerri in English? And they took all her cows, and she cried and ran to the bush that she had her brothers had gone to look for them. So when she got near to the river banks, where she knew the old bull was, she started singing. Oye, ulololo, ore sege yorika, amara yogi na, ere yes I sang ayos, ayos I, and I would have lulu. She was told your brother was not here. And she went to the next old pool and sang the same song. And she went to the third old pool and sang the same song. And all the time she was told, your brother is not here. Until she went to the last old pool. Oh yeah, yes, I sang ayos, ayos, and I don't have lulu. Her brother was in that last pool, and he heard the voice of his sister, and he knew it was her, and he immediately got up to go and find out what her problem was, and he told his Suji, "Oh Suji, pass me my shield." And Osuji said, "I can't lift it up." And he told him, "Mberi." So Osuji rolled the shield, and he picked it up. And he told me, pass me my spear." And Osuji said, "I can't lift it up." And he told him, "Mberi." And Osuji rolled the spear. So they got up, the moran and his Osuji, and they followed the cows. And they went until they arrived at Ol'Aimerri. Fortunately, there were a few droplets of milk at Ol'Aimerri. And he told him, "Osuji, can you taste the milk?" And Osuji tasted the milk. And he told him, and they followed them up and found all their cows. And the moran took their cows home, and his sister and their parents were very happy.